Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start about the division of fraction. Division of fraction is somehow challenge. Now you have to be careful and watch this video until the end. Let's use this example. 1 over 4 divided by 2 over 3 is equal to what? To divide the fractions, we write one fraction, first fraction as it is, and then multiply together reciprocal of the second fraction. When you say reciprocal of the second fraction, it means that what we had as numerator become denominator, and what we had as denominator become numerator. It means that reciprocal of 2 over 3 will be equal to 3 over 2, and then multiply fraction as we have seen from the previous video. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, then let's do the second example. We have 12 over 25 divided by 1 over 4, which will be equal to what? Now, as we know, you write the first fraction as it is. You write the first fraction as it is. Okay. And 12 over 25 times the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of 1 over 4, it means that will be equal to 4 over 1, which will be equal to 12 times 4 is equal to 48 over 25 times 1 is equal to 25. Division of fraction, it is not easy. It is very easy, not difficult, but sometimes it challenges some students. They be confused about how they can divide the fractions. You have to know that you write the first fraction as it is and multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction. Thank you for watching this video.